Starting this year, hospitals are now required to post prices for procedures online. KSBY's Megan Healy joins us live now in San Luis Obispo with more on the changes in hospital transparency. Megan?
Well, Richard, now you can look up the cost for a colonoscopy or a C-section among many other procedures before you head into your local hospital. But some healthcare experts are warning people that it's not as straightforward as it may seem.
Before you get the bill, you're not gouged as much, at least you know.
One woman visiting her dad in the hospital says even with the new law, she won't see the final dollar amount until her insurance is billed.
If I had to pay the 20% or that huge deductible, I think I would want to know what, each procedure cost.
The new law is a step towards price transparency, so people can make informed decisions about their health care. Jean Keller educates Dignity Health patients from San Luis Obispo to Ventura County and says the new law might be confusing.
But I'm not comparing apples to apples. I may be apples to pears. So I think the consumer has to be sensitive to that.
That's because many things contribute to the overall cost, like patient needs.
What your age is, what your comorbidities are. Do you have pneumonia? Do you smoke?
Procedure options.
How much do we charge to put in a knee depends somewhat as what an artificial knee costs us to buy.
And insurance contracts. Local health insurance broker Susan Polk says it's a step in the right direction, but won't be useful for most people.
The price that the hospital charges is one thing, but it depends on what your insurance company reimburses.
Polk says healthcare transparency should eventually include the role of insurance.
To publish the standard rate for a colonoscopy is one thing, but to drill that down to what it will be based on the insurance that you have, I think that would be much more valuable.
Healthcare experts also say it's important to ask questions about procedures and take into consideration the hospital's safety record, quality of care, and location to get the best bang for your healthcare buck. Live in San Luis Obispo, I'm Megan Healy, KSBY News.
All right, Megan, thank you. You can find more information about the cost of procedures under the Quality Transparency Dashboard on your local hospital's website.